In this video, we cover the Azure AI Evaluation SDK, Microsoft's framework for measuring AI application quality at scale. Manual spot checking doesn't scale. LLMs produce different outputs on every run, so you need systematic evaluation to catch quality regressions before they reach users. The Azure AI Evaluation SDK gives you a repeatable, automated quality gate. The SDK ships 5 built-in evaluators. Groundedness is the most important for RAG apps. It measures whether the answer is actually supported by the retrieved context. Relevance, Coherence, and Fluency measure overall output quality. Similarity compares against a gold standard reference answer. Running a batch evaluation is straightforward. Prepare your dataset as JSONL with query, context, response, and optional ground truth columns. Import the evaluate function and your chosen evaluators, pass them your dataset, and get back per row scores and aggregate statistics. For domain-specific criteria, subclass prompt-based evaluator and write your own scoring rubric. For example, you might check whether responses follow your brand tone guidelines. The SDK uses GPT-4o as a judge to score outputs against your rubric, and you can mix built-in and custom evaluators in a single run. The ContentSafetyEvaluator checks outputs for hate speech, violence, self-harm, and sexual content, returning severity scores from 0 to 7. Always run safety evaluation on both your inputs and outputs, and include jailbreak detection to test your model's resistance to adversarial prompts. Integrate evaluation into your CI/CD pipeline by running evaluate in GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps. Set threshold gates. For example, fail the build if groundedness drops below 3.5 or any safety category exceeds severity 2. Log all results to Azure AI Foundry to track quality over time. To recap, use the 5 built-in evaluators as your baseline. Add custom evaluators for domain-specific criteria. Always run safety evaluation and integrate the whole thing into your CI/CD pipeline. Next up, deploying AI agents to production. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI content.